Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures. I'm here on another audax. It is the final audax of the 24 season and I'm at the site of the Golden Arches. Hello Francis, how you doing? It doesn't like being on camera. As you can see, the whole area has just been taken over by bikes. It is coming up to, it's 5 to 8 now. This audax is called the Peculiar 200, Old Peculiar. I'll tell you what is old and peculiar. Is the organiser. Well, I don't know if he's old, but it's peculiar that he's not here yet. It's 5 to 8 and everybody's itching to go, so I think it's going to be a late start. Well, things are finally on the way. I think I left just after 8 o'clock. The organiser hasn't shown up, so we don't know what's going on. Well, we do, but we don't know what's going on with him. The plan is to ride to the first control where hopefully our brevet cards will be, so it's about 41k, I think it's so said. So we know where we're going from then. But as you can see, the morning is beautiful. Look at that sky. As you can see today, I am on the road bike, the Sonder, with that 32th cassette on the rear. I hope it's going to be okay. Got another ride planned for tomorrow, and if today's not okay, I'll be on the gravel bike tomorrow, I think. So today, bit of a test, bit of a tease, see how it goes. Not a happy chappy. Had a bit of a puncher fest to go off route to get down into Bishop Auckland. Okay, it was about 2.5 miles away. But yeah, I was riding on my rims a little. Well, back rear rim for a little while. Get some new tubes, get on the way again. Just because of the thorn. And I took it out, put another tube in, problems with that one as well. Oh my god. So I'm heading to the next control and probably not going to get there in time. I think it's a stamped control. Middleton on Tees. I don't remember there being any shops to do, self-certification. Take a picture of the castle, I guess. If the route goes into Leyburn, I could go there because there's loads of shops there. I think head up to the co-op. Either way, probably going to be late. Apart from this bit where I've just brought the camera out, it's all uphill to the Middleton to the next 8k, I think it is. And time-wise, I've got to be there by 2 minutes to 1. It is now 12:10. We've got 48 minutes to do probably 25k. So it's going to turn into a bit of a jolly today, I think. But yeah, 48 minutes, 20k, it's not going to happen, is it? Also on this ride is a young lady called Francis. Well, she was on this ride, had her own mechanical, and even worse than mine. Now, I don't know if it was deliberate or just unfortunate, but someone threw a disposable vape out the car window and it shattered on the ground. Some glass went into her leg, and as you can probably guess, some of that glass ended up splitting her tyre. So that was the ride over, really. She wasn't in the mood to stick a tyre boot in there, and she followed me. Well, not literally. She went down into Bishop Auckland herself and got the train back to Darlington. We'll see today whether I'm in the mood myself to do the entire route. Anyway, concentrate for the next 5 miles. Get up these hills. Middleton. It was not where I thought it was. I don't think Leyburn's anywhere near here. Yeah, I thought there was going to be a van there checking everybody in, but yeah. Turns out that's the next control, Scargill or something. And that's 23k away. I've got about an hour and 10 minutes to do 20 something k. I think, maybe less. I was saying earlier, got another audax tomorrow. It's a DIY one. It's the toughest 200 in the Lincolnshire Wolds. I found on a website which I'll put a link to down below, this one. It's by Robert Enderby. Now, some time ago when he did the route initially, Strava said it was 3,000 metres. I've imported it into Ride with GPS and it's more like 2,500, which seems more realistic to me. Either way, it's a big day on the bike, and that's what I'm doing tomorrow. I think we're heading to Barnard Castle. You may have heard of that place. It was very popular back in 2020. If you know what I'm referring to, stick a comment down below. Just entered the county of North Yorkshire, having been in Richmondshire. To be honest, I don't think Richmondshire is a county, is it? I think it's part of North Yorkshire. Anyway, that means I've just gone past Scargill and about 10 minutes to spare, but there's nobody around to stamp the card or anything. So, and there was no town sign, village sign. So what I ended up doing, go to the next village, Bramming Hill. And I just took my GPS, put the clock on, took in front of the sign, took a picture. What else can I do? The next control is at Masham. Yeah, I think it's pronounced different ways, but that's the way I'm pronouncing it, like mashed potato kind of thing. I got 3 hours to get there, it's 42k, so if it's uneventful, should be there in plenty of time. Because I've been pretty much chasing my ass all the way through this audax, not really been filming it a great deal, so I've just gone through, well, I say just, maybe half an hour left, Masham, and I'm heading back north to Darlington now. It's mostly flat, been nice tailwind as well. In terms of this route, I should pop it up on screen at the end of this video, so you can take a quick look. It's actually been really good. It just felt a bit rushed today for me. I've just been chasing my tail and no opportunities to mingle with the riders because they're long in front of me, all finished. It's the old peculiar 200. Takes place end of October. I think it's pretty much every year. It's a regular one. It's been going for a while, but it's been a beautiful ride. And now it's kind of some flat stuff. I don't know really. To be honest, I don't know where I'm going. I'm just following the route with faith in the organiser that it's going to be really, really good. And it has, it's a little bit of everything. Well, I'm into the last 15k or so, and I can honestly admit the last third of this ride has been really good. Thanks for booking the tailwind. There's been an awful lot of quiet roads, not just in this final third but throughout really. Some busy roads at the beginning when not many people are about, to be honest, just wide roads, busy main roads. Oh, normally we'd be busy. I think I'm going to come back and do this one again at some point, given I've been rushing it around quite a lot. But just for the fact it's been so quiet on the road, and you know, really picturesque at times. It's definitely worth coming and doing again. If you fancy checking this route out, like I so often do, there'll be a link below this video to the ride. Go check it out. Well, that's it, folks. As you can see, back at the van. It's just gone 7:30, 20 to 8. Got a couple hour drive ahead of me, so I'm going to dash off now. Before I do, did you do the Peculiar this year? Weather was fantastic. It was spot on. Couldn't have been any better, really. So yeah, great route, fantastic route. It's just a shame I had to rush all the way through it. As it turns out, I wasn't the last one. I overtook 2 people knowingly. There's half a dozen out there, so yeah, I'll have to do it again at some point and just enjoy it a little bit more. Comments, questions, stick them down below, and I shall see you in the next one soon. Take care, bye bye.